That's what I'm saying. Why not? Have you seen in my other two videos today? I started 2003 Kia Sedona. It's an 04. Closed. It's a cord in the trunk for me lightings. This is a 2007 Pontiac G6 with 100,000 floor. We got 104 on it with the 4-cylinder Eco Tech. Car does have problems. Catalytic converter. Which is that thing down there, and we got a brake caliper that's leaking brake fluid. Good on brake fluid. It's that one that's leaking. This ain't really a cold start, because for one, the car was started yesterday. I would start that, but I don't have keys, and would start the Blue Tahoe. I have keys to that, but it's sold. I don't want to mess with it. Now, with it getting cold, I know this car is old. When it gets cold at night, these covers won't stay closed. So this ain't really a cold start. It's only 44 degrees. Just added oil. Well, there's the mileage. My problem that has me puzzled is the headlights are coming on during the day. There's a sensor, but at night, when it's like, you would think the lights would come on by themselves. They don't. Until it gets, like dark. Way darker than this. Let's see if it'll come. See what I mean? They're on auto. You turn this knob down to here, it'll turn them off, but then the arrow return to auto, and it would say on there, auto lights off, and the car will ding at you. And it would stay like that until you hit the info button to clear it. The door ajar is coming up because I got the door open. You know what? I'm curious. I wonder if I close the door, if it would tell me. I got the hood open. Huh. It don't even tell me the hood's open. Now it'll tell me the trunk. But it won't do it for the hood. This is a 2007. And got my lights up. So technically, like you said, 44 degrees. It was rain yesterday. The van's been sitting 4 years around that. And, well, the Blue Tahoe was sitting almost just as long, but my father-in-law did that. And I've been starting it here and there. So, yeah, this isn't really a cold start, but yeah, I know you've seen this car in other my other videos, but and I'm going to have to get that catalytic converter fixed and that caliper fixed, because I'm going to be due to get it inspected in February, I think? Yeah, 2/22, that's February. So, that's kind of on the back section of my plate, along with everything else. So, thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one. Peace.